Stepping out with my baby, can't go wrong, 'cause I'm in right. It's for sure, not for maybe, that I'm all dressed up tonight. Stepping out with my baby, can't go wrong, 'cause I'm in right. Ask me when will that day be? The big day may be tonight.
And this year, the prizes for academic excellence go to just 2 pupils, Sam and Sasha Smith.
W.H. Smith have a 3-for-2 offer on a wide range of essential school stationery, which means you can give your kids a bit of a head start. Whatever you're into, get into W.H. Smith.
Lighthouse Family, with their brilliant album Postcards from Heaven, featuring the 3 top 10 singles, Rain Cloud, High, and the latest single, Lost in Space. Lighthouse Family, Postcards from Heaven, out now.
Certain career moves can be risky. Relationships can be a gamble. Getting rid of grey? What's the worry?
Clairol's Loving Care is gentle. It has no ammonia or peroxide. It's not forever. It washes out in about 8 shampoos.
Some things are risky by nature. Loving Care is just a little box of hair color. And for longer lasting grey coverage, there's Lasting Color by Loving Care.
Hello, Mr. Bentley. Got a real treat for you here. You deserve it. I'll be back in a tick.
Not hungry, Mr. Bentley? Never mind. I'll pop it in the fridge until you get your appetite back.
Elm Lee keeps fresh for up to 8 weeks.